Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Lego Party game crashing, not loading, not launching, lagging, low FPS or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. This is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. You just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, then select power and then select restart PS5. So after this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to rebuild a database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable, then select rebuild database. Once done, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check for game update. For that, first highlight the game, then press options button on your controller. Now select check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to go ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings on your PS5. Now click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select Lego Party, then click on restore. Finally confirm it by selecting yes, and after that try to launch the game on PS5 and check if it's working. Next solution is to delete game's save file. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now select save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Lego Party game and then see if the issue is resolved. Next method is to check storage space on console. So for that, first open PS5 settings and then move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data and then see if it's working now. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, you have to try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to resolve the issue. Next method is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. Here change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into a PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, open settings on your PS5. Now select system, then go to system software, then select system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available over there. And finally choose update using internet option. Once the software updates is installed on PS5, now check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall the game on PS5. For that, first highlight Lego Party on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install Lego Party game again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, the final method is to contact support. So for that, when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link I have already provided in the description. Just explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing Lego Party game, and hopefully the support team will help to resolve the problem and you can play the game further without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.